Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to create a glowing effect for your thumbnails right inside Canva. This simple design trick makes your images pop and stand out. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening Canva and creating a new project. You can choose any size you need for your thumbnail. Next, head over to Elements and search for Background. Look for a dark background that will help the glow stand out. Once you find one you like, add it to your page. Then right-click the image and set it as your background so it fills the entire canvas. Now it's time to bring in your main image. Upload or drag it onto the page, resize it to fit your design, and use the background remover tool to cut out the subject. With your clean image ready, duplicate it so you have two layers. Click on the original layer first. Go to Edit and apply a yellow duotone effect for that glowing color. After that, add a slight blur to soften the edges and make it glow. Place your second image, the one without the effect on top of the blurred layer, so it stays crisp and clear. To boost the glow, go back to Elements and search for light graphics or light effects. Pick a light element you like, change its color to yellow, and then go to Position to send it behind your images. Resize it so it matches your design and gives a soft glow all around. When everything looks good, download the design as a PNG file. Now create a new page in the same project and drag your PNG back onto the page. Go to Edit, tap Filters, and apply copy filters to finalize and enhance the glow. Your glowing yellow Canva thumbnail is ready to grab attention. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more easy design tips. See you in the next tutorial.